All right, traders, welcome back. It's time for my week in review. It's kind of a crazy week, crazy last couple of weeks, so let's get into it. Now, the week prior to this, I had a bunch of cash secured puts out, and you can see here the market, the last week was started from 15th through the 19th. And so things went down. I had a lot of cash secured puts, and a lot of them went into the money, and I was assigned on those, and I was doing covered calls. But things had gone down so far, it was hard to sell covered calls at cost and then make a premium. For example, let's look at SoundHound. Now, my average cost was $7.50, and the price right now is in the low fours or mid fours. For me to trade options on this and sell a call, there's no way I could go up to $7.50. There's no premium there. So, taking big risk here and making trades that I can make a little premium. The delta is pretty high. As far as this one is concerned, I'm just kind of done with it, and I don't care if it gets called away. So I'm selling this call right at the money right now. But you can see in the last week things went down, and then this week things started to go way up. So my calls, everything started to go above my call strike prices, and a lot of those were not at the cost. So I was panicking. I didn't want to let these things go and get called away. What I did was I just bought back a lot of these. Let's say for this one, if the price went to 25, that would be a $2 difference, and that would be a $200 loss. Well, buying it back for 55 is the lesser of two evils. So I decided to buy to close and keep the stock, not let it get called away. Same here with SOXL. I had to pay a lot for that one. I did this midweek. I started to panic, so maybe that was the wrong move. Sometimes it's better to be cautious. But continuing, PLTR, I rolled this one. It cost me $50 to buy it back, so I ended up with minus 41 with the premium I'd already collected. I rolled this out to 5.3. I made another $22 premium there, so cutting that loss down a little bit. And I'm keeping the shares, and I'm going to keep doing cover calls and make that a positive. But it's kind of what my strategy was. I don't know if it was the right thing. Same thing with the Unity software, buy to close, cost me 18. I'd already made 26, so I ended up with 8. This one's well under cost, and to go up from 4 to 7.50, my cost would have been a huge loss. So it was less expensive to buy it back for $50. That's kind of what happened with a lot of my calls. But then things during midweek started to go back down again, and everything kind of went out of the money. And I was wondering if I had made the right decision. I could have maybe waited. There could have been some time decay that worked to my favor, and these might have been less to buy it back at a later time in the week. But also, they could go way, way in the money. It might have made these so expensive that it'd be just better off to let them get called away and take the loss on the share price difference. So kept all my stocks, bought them back, and then down here at the bottom, you can see SOXL. I made a new trade, rolled it out a week, and up in price to 42, collected a $50 premium there. So making the money back. And then the AI, same thing, 2 contracts, so that's 200 shares, 25 each, so that's 50 I collected. Same thing with Unity, 200 shares, 2 contracts. This was like 26 each, so it's 52. And then PLTR, this call, and then just yesterday. So PLTR is something I want to collect shares in. So right now I did this trade today. It's the weekend, so it's a pending order, but 22.50. So it's a high delta, 47. And I collected $102 for that trade. So clawing some money back and learn some lessons and either be patient or maybe the lesson learned is just hold the stocks, wait till they come up, and don't try to sell calls at strike prices that are less than your cost to acquire the stock. That's the rule I've heard, and I'm learning. I'm trying to get chase premium sometimes, which you're not supposed to do. So learn from my mistakes. I'm going to start being more conservative with things, choosing lower deltas, and sticking to my rules better. But I am learning some good lessons along the way, so I'm pretty happy. And I'm still pretty good. I want to get over 1,000, so I'll make a couple more trades on Monday, Tuesday. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe. And if you want to learn everything you need to know about trading options as a beginner, click on my course in the description of this video. That's it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.